Natural remedies for kidney stones: lemon and olive oil. Kidney stones are formed when excess calcium deposits are accumulated in the kidneys. Since they cause pain, you would want to get rid of them right away. In some cases, kidney stones would need to be removed through surgical means. Fortunately, most kidney stones can be removed naturally. First, keep in mind that kidney stones are primarily caused by lack of fluid intake. So, you better start drinking adequate amounts of water. If you have persistent kidney stones, then there are natural remedies you can try. One popular remedy is a mixture of lemon and olive oil. Lemon and olive oil are rich in antioxidants, which can help dissolve and eliminate kidney stones. To prepare the mixture, simply mix 2 ounces of lemon juice with 2 ounces of extra virgin olive oil. Stir the mixture well so that the ingredients do not separate. Once the mixture is done, drink it, and follow it up with a glass of water to get rid of the unpleasant residue.